Welcome to Kaiser Permanente's Yoga. I'm Kimberly Hamilton. Today we'll start with deep breathing, then connect breath to movement in a Vinyasa sequence, followed by deep stretches. All you need is a mat. Come to a comfortable seated position. Close the eyes for a moment. Take a moment. Notice how your breath feels today. Notice how your body feels. Notice what's going on in your mind today. And I invite you to join me for a couple of deep breaths. Deep inhale through the nose. Fill up the belly, the ribs, the chest. Slowly, gently exhale through the mouth, cleansing breath. Now Ujjayi breath. Seal the lips. Inhale through the nose. Slowly exhale through the nose. Continue to deepen and lengthen your breath, exhaling through the mouth or nose, whatever feels best. And as you deepen and lengthen your breath, I invite you to set an intention in the form of an affirmation. Something like, I am centered, I am strong, I am peaceful. And for the next 3 breaths, silently recite your affirmation. And when you're ready, open the eyes and we'll start warming up the spine with cat-cows. Plant your hands, roll over your shins and ankles. Come to tabletop, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees, fingers spread wide. Press into the mat firmly with the fingertips, tuck the toes. Inhale, lift the hips, the heart, the crown of the head. Gaze up, cow. Exhale, untuck the toes, round the spine, chin to chest, cat pose. A couple more. Inhale, lift the hips, roll the shoulders back. Gaze up, cow. Exhale, round the spine, press the mat away from you, chin to chest. Again, inhale, lift the hips, the heart, and the crown. Gaze up. Exhale, round the spine, press up to cat. Hold for a deep breath in. Exhale, bring the big toes together, widen your knees, sink your hips, reach your fingertips forward, and relax your head on the mat. Child's pose, deep breath in, long breath out. Inhale, back to tabletop, and exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, lower the heels, down dog. Press the front edge of the mat away from you with your fingertips. Maybe pedal the feet here if that feels good, or sway your hips or rock your head. Enjoy any subtle movements in this full body stretch. Then when you're ready, square your hips, inhale, lift the heels, and exhale, tiptoe your feet towards your hands, find a forward fold. Bend the knees as much as you need to. Grab the inner arches of the elbows, gently rock side to side. Shaking your head yes and no, releasing tension in the neck, opening the shoulders, opening the hamstrings. And when you're ready, take a big breath in. Exhale, slowly roll up the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae, stacking your heart over your hips, your head over your heart. Making your way to mountain pose. Root through the heels, tuck in the tailbone, pull in the low belly. Roll the shoulders back, reach down through the fingertips, lift through the crown. Engage all your muscles here and breathe. Inhale, reach the hands out and overhead, palms come together, gaze up. Exhale, hinge at the hips, swan dive, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, fingertips press into shins. Exhale, fold deeply, tuck the chin. Inhale, root through the heels, reach the hands out and up. Exhale, leading with the heart, dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold deeply. Again, inhale, press through the heels, reach the hands out and up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees, plant your hands, step back to plank. Hips in line with shoulders, shoulders over wrists. Deep breath in, long breath out. Deep breath in. Exhale, lower your knees, pull your elbows in, lower your chest and your chin. Hips stay raised at first. Inhale, untuck your toes, sink your hips, pull your chest forward and up, cobra. Exhale, press your palms into the mat. Tuck your toes, press up to tabletop or plank, and lift the hips, down dog. Inhale, look between the thumbs, step or maybe lightly hop your feet to your hands and fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise, gaze up. Exhale, hinge and fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, bend the knees, plant the hands, step or maybe hop back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin like we just did, or keep your knees lifted. Lower to chaturanga, pulling the elbows in. Inhale, pull your chest forward and up. Cobra like we just did, or work on straightening the arms and up dog, pressing into the mat with the fingertips, lifting through the crown. Deep breath in. Exhale, tuck your toes, use your core to lift your hips, down dog. Inhale, float your right leg back behind you, three-legged dog. Exhale, draw your right knee to your nose, then step your front foot in between your hands. Ground through your back heel. Inhale, reach your hands up, warrior one. Feel strong and powerful. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Deep breath in. Exhale, open up to warrior two. Maybe wide in the stance. Back foot in line with the short edge of the mat. Front foot in line with the long edge of the mat. And as the left hand reaches to the past and the right hand reaches to the future, feel grounded in the present. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Inhale, open the front palm. Exhale, reach your front arm up overhead. Let your back fingertips lightly glide down the back leg. Open the heart, peaceful warrior. Invite love and peace into the heart. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, straighten the front leg. Inhale, reach your front arm forward. Exhale, lower your front fingertips to your shin. Reach that top arm high to the ceiling. Gaze up, triangle practice. Think of inviting unity in the mind, body, and spirit. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Inhale, lift the torso back up. Exhale, sink down to warrior two. Take a big breath in. Exhale, cartwheel your arms until your hands frame your front foot. Spin on the ball of the back toes and step back to down dog. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Same series, other side now. Inhale, float your left leg back behind you. Three-legged dog. Exhale, draw your left knee to your nose, then step that foot in between your hands. Ground through your back heel. Inhale, reach your hands up. Warrior one, feel strong and stable. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Deep breath in. Exhale, open up to warrior two. Maybe wide in the stance, shoulders over hips. And as the left hand reaches to the future and the right hand reaches to the past, feel grounded in the present. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Inhale, open your front palm. Exhale, reach your front arm up overhead. Let your back fingertips glide down the back leg. Peaceful warrior. Invite love and peace into the heart. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, straighten the front leg. Inhale, reach your front arm forward. Exhale, lower your front fingertips to your front shin. Reach that top arm high to the ceiling. Triangle pose. Think about uniting mind, body, and spirit. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Inhale, lift the torso back up. Exhale, sink down to warrior two. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, cartwheel your arms until your hands frame your front foot. Spin on the ball of the back toes and step back to down dog. Hold down dog and breathe, or option two, do a vinyasa. Inhale, lower to plank. Exhale, lower knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga. Inhale, pull the chest forward and up, cobra or up dog. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips back to down dog. Inhale, look between the thumbs, bend the knees, step or lightly hop your feet to your hands and fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach the hands out and up. Exhale, bend your knees, sink your hips like you're about to sit into a chair. Maybe toe heel the feet together. As you sink the hips low, reach the hands high. Maybe take a moment, think about how high you can reach when things in life pull you down. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Deep breath in. Exhale, slowly lower your hips all the way down to the mat. Bring the soles of the feet together. Widen your knees. Inhale, lift up tall. Exhale, bow forward. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Inhale, lift the torso up. Fold the knees, straighten the legs, flex the feet. Inhale, lift up tall, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bow forward. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Inhale, hands reach forward. And exhale, slowly curl the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae, until you're lying flat on your mat. Inhale, draw your knees to your chest. Exhale, rotate your knees to the right. Gaze to the left for a twist. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Inhale, draw your knees to your chest. Exhale, twist the opposite way. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Inhale, draw your knees to your chest. Exhale, wrap your arms around your shins, tuck your chin round the spine. Inhale, rock back. Exhale, rock forward and come back to a comfortable seated position. Close the eyes. Take a moment. Notice how your breath feels, how your body feels. Notice what's going on in your mind. Maybe take a moment, reflect on your intention, your affirmation. And I invite you to join me for one final deep breath. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Thank you for joining me for Kaiser Permanente Yoga. I look forward to seeing you next time, and special thanks to Yes Fitness Music. Namaste.